If you're looking for a cold press juicer, this is the one for you. As I opened up the box, I noticed that it did come with a set of instructions. And in the instructions, it does have a parts list. And the instructions will go into deep detail how to clean and use this juicer. I really liked how it came in shipping. It ensured that it made it to me in one piece. As I open up the juicer itself, I noticed that it's very well constructed, and I really like the fact that the cord is extra long. It does have a handle on the back of the juicer in case you have to pick it up. It was easy to move it around and either to store it or to take it with you if you're going somewhere and need a juicer. Right here is the center. Now you can see that the filtration down at the bottom, and it also comes with instructions on the canister itself. Now this canister does have an upgraded spiral auger, and that will really help filter out all of the pulp and from the juice. Now on this juicer, it does separate the pulp from your juice, and right there's the canister that came for the pulp. And this is the canister for the juice, and it does measure also. The canister itself does have an extra wide feed chute. It is almost 6 inches. And it does latch by the top. You can see right through it, so you can see the workings of the juicer while it's working. A great feature about this juicer is that it has a double layer super filter. So it's really going to keep that pulp out of your juice and make it so delicious to drink. Now this juicer will not work unless that top is latched all the way. And it also has an anti-clog function, which will allow you to reverse. This great tool of the pusher will help push all of that great fruit and vegetables that you're having in your juice. You can see the pulp coming out. And right there, the juice will only come out if you release that. And it's super simple to open it up and to close it back up. Such a powerful motor on this juicer, and really helps you get the most out of your vegetables and fruit. I can see myself using this juicer. It was super simple to clean it and to put it away. And I'm going to enjoy my juice every day.